come to the final tape of this series on decision making. And this one is to do with the decisions that you make about where you come from in yourself, about everything else. This is the core, this is the key, because without that, nothing works. So your attitude has to check out. You have to understand that if you come from a wrong place in yourself, you'll make wrong decisions. It's so simple, such a simple equation that you got to take into account. But you are an entity, you're a city unto yourself, you're alive. And you can come from either wanting to contribute, to do better, or to take away and destroy. Obviously, do better, long term, help things is a key place to come out from. That's your attitude. And attitude, my friends, is everything. Attitude is a deep thing. And your attitude is not that I deserve. Your attitude needs to be, I want to give. Because here's the secret. When you give, you receive. That is such an essential, basic equation that goes amiss in this world. People think that if they take, they get more. No. When you give, you make space. When you give, you make space and you get according to what you give. That is the law. It's a natural law, and we cannot go against natural laws. We're not better than that. So make sure that the decisions about you are thorough, that you are sure that you're coming from a good place. And if not, don't make the decision. Make the decisions not to make the decision unless you're sure of where you're coming out from. That will make you a safe, good, reliable leader, and people will appreciate it. Maybe not right away, but in the long term, you will go much further than making quick decisions that are very costly to everyone. We have plenty of examples of those people we thought are so great, and it turned out to be that where they came from only caused misery in this world. You want to be one of the heroes in this world, and you're maybe an unsung hero, maybe just a small company that you work for, maybe in your household, and you grow lovely children that get an example from a father or a mother that actually have themselves and are safe and careful and live with their imperfections and ask questions and are interested and curious. That's what it's about. So your most important decisions are about you. And if you come out of the right place, your decisions will be right. It may take time, but you're in the right direction and good things will come to you. So this is Eli Harari, the Thinking Coach, signing off. Just to let you know, I'm available for training and coaching companies, big companies, small companies, and I do lots of one-on-one coaching sessions with leaders and aspiring leaders, all kinds of professionals. And decision making is one of the 10 skills of good leadership for the future. And the future is now if we let it be now. Our future can be right now. It doesn't have to be tomorrow. We can be the best we can be today. And I've got 10 skills that will help you on the road to that kind of success. And the world needs you successful. This is Eli Harari, the Thinking Coach, signing off for now. Hope to hear from you and would love to hear your reflection about these series of video clips that you got from me about decision making. All the best, folks. Bye-bye.